So what's up, guys? So here it is, the way it's working now. It's working awesome. Comfort zone, that's what it's called. Comfort zone. If you want to check it out, it's working perfect. It's working awesome. So if you guys want to go all the way up to, let's say, it's 74 Fahrenheit right now. It's working perfect. See, you can even manage, if you want to lower it down, okay, 74, 73, it works fine, perfectly. All right, so this is what you do. And then if you want to shut it off, just press it here and it's off. You can always disconnect it and start all over again. And when you start it, what you do is you press it here and you can go higher if you need to. Okay, if you need to go like 70s, and press the left hand side like that, and it's working. So that's how you do it. In the back, if you want to read any, this is how it comes with. Check it out. I'll put down in the comments the size. It works super well. It gets your bedroom warm enough. It's very comfortable. It's one of the kinds. So this one over here is connected normally, and you plug it in. Like, oh, hold on a minute. Okay, there you go. So you plug it in normal. For those of you guys out there, it's a regular connection, no biggie. All right, so once again, you turn it on right here, okay? And it's been using 60 Hz and 1500 watts. So it depends. If you go like up to 75 Fahrenheit, let's say 70s, and you leave it there like that. But if you want to go higher, for those who loves the bedroom warmer, okay, then you go once, double connection like that. You leave it like that, and it's gonna go up to 75 if you like it that way. All right, you can leave it in mode like that. Green light, it's working. That's all you do. So that's all you guys. It's made in China, and this one over here was built in 2023. It's working awesome. And it takes about 30 seconds to 2 minutes, and your bedroom is already warmed. Yep. And your bedroom is already warmed up. So this is how it looks. All right, guys. Thank you